Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the text box, image, or shape that will become the clickable link. Once selected, make sure to think about where it should go: another slide, a file on disk, an email address, or a web URL, because the next menu changes based on that choice. Now open the Insert menu and choose Link or Hyperlink. This action starts the actual linking dialog. You're not done yet, but this first step places you in control of the target and behavior. Once the hyperlink dialog is open, you enter the precise destination, paste the full web URL, browse to choose a file, or pick a slide in this presentation. Make sure to check the link text or object preview so you know what will be clickable. Then add a screen tip to explain what the link does when hovered. This improves usability. Click OK to apply. If you link to an external file, save the presentation in the same folder, so the path remains valid when moving files. Now you must test the link. Run the slideshow and click the linked text or object as your viewer will. If it opens the correct slide, file, or web page, you're finished. If it fails, make sure files are in the same folder to preserve relative paths, or reopen the hyperlink dialog and correct the address. One useful troubleshooting tip: if links break after moving slides, reselect the target slide from the link dialog rather than typing a slide number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.